Hello guys, for this video we have a Macbook Air model A1466. So the problem was it is charging right 70%. Since 1% I charge it until 78%, but when I take out the charger, look at what happened. It shut down. It will not turn on when we put the charger. So it turns on. We're going to do a quick fix for this one, since I have a new battery here. This the model of the battery A1466. Okay, that's me. So what we're going to do now, open the device and change the battery. See, it is charging 70%. When you take out, it'll turn off. So now we will remove the battery. First, you have to check the model of the battery. So this is the model of the battery, guys. Model A1496. And we have a new one. A1496. All you need to have, you need Torx number 5 or T5. And this is the battery. Just remove all 5 screws. Here, 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 and here. This is the battery. There is no sign of anything, liquid or something. Look how clean it is. No bulging, no liquid, nothing. Take this one out. New one. Make sure you put all the screws. My hands is dirty. I fix my trail bike, so too much grease. I do trail riding every weekend. So guys, it's time to test. So as you can see guys, now it turns on, and we did not even put the charger. Just we just switch on. So now we will put the charger. It is 100%. So of course it is green. It's new battery. So now it is normal. We will remove the charger. So guys, this is only a quick fix, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please do not complicate things. Just make a quick and easy solution first. If nothing of it work, so you can escalate the problem, and time for plan B, but first just do the quick fix. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new videos, and please like, it will help me a lot, please. Okay, thank you.